Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and then this orange trend line is coming from. And just absolutely beautiful action today, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched your video from Wednesday, but if you did, you know that I put in that trend line there, and you can see that earlier on in the day the price approached that trend line, got rejected. However, on the pullback, put in that little miniature high or low, and then finally got the break from there. So in technical jargon, that's what we would call the technical breakout, and the price, had some nice follow through there. So overall, a pattern breakout occurred on the day. Now it's just a matter of seeing if the bulls can start to build upon this breakout or not. So for that, I'm going to just get rid of that trend line. It's kind of played its role here. So as far as levels of support now are concerned with this new breakout underway, the ideal level that you would want to see the price stay up above is going to be that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So as Friday and then next week plays out, that line's just going to keep on moving higher and higher. So as far as just the general overall health of the chart and kind of the health of the current breakout that we were talking about, as long as the price stays above that purple line, that means that the chart is getting good solid continuation, and that's what you want to see. Now if the price does drop below that purple line, then the next level would be down at that green line there, which is right around 0.0117. However, as things stand right now, it would be pointless to talk about any other areas of support given where the price currently is at. Now, what about areas of resistance? Yeah, we have our supports mapped out in terms of this breakout, but if the price is going to push further higher, where are some of these levels that the price will have to fight through? As far as where the sellers are at right now, key level right up there at 0.018, which is from the highs a few days ago. So 0.018, public enemy number one going into Friday. All in all, though, resistance levels matter, don't get me wrong, but they also don't matter, because what matters is what the chart has continued to do, and that's just keep on building higher bases. So as long as these higher bases, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, remain in play, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.